Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will show you one of the many ways how to make a spiral out of balloons for modeling. For clarity, I use a transparent balloon for modeling, size 160, and a red balloon for modeling, size 160. I pre-inflate the balloons to eliminate the defect and stretch the walls of the balloon. Now I put the red balloon inside the transparent one for the entire length. At the end, I make a tight knot in such a way as to capture both balloons. I'm cutting off the extra part. Now I put the pump spout in a transparent balloon. I pull about 10 centimeters of the red balloon out. I fix the red balloon on my fingers and begin to inflate the transparent balloon. Under the tension of the inner balloon, the outer one takes the form of a spiral. After inflating, I twist both balloons together, make a knot and cut off the extra part. This is a simple and very convenient way to make spirals from a balloon for modeling. Thank you for watching us.